everyone! Welcome to Grace Daily English.
What a beautiful day to visit the zoo.
I want to see the monkeys and a lion.
Okay, everyone, I have the tickets. Let's go inside.
Dad, it's upside down.
Thanks, Maya.
Look, Mom. The giraffe is so tall.
Yes, Leo. And look at its neck. It has a very long neck.
I am tall too. Look, I am stretching my neck. Can I eat leaves like a giraffe? Haha.
No, Dad. You are too short. Look at the monkey swinging on the ropes. That one is going really high.
Ooh, ah. I am a monkey too.
Oh, Ethan, you are so funny.
They are eating bananas. They look happy. I will draw a monkey.
Come on, let's see the king of the jungle, the lion.
Oh no, the lion is sleeping.
Sleeping? No. Wake up, Mr. Lion. Roar!
Ethan, shh, quiet.
But I want to hear a roar.
The lion is tired. We must not bother him. It is rude.
You are right, Grace. Sorry, Mr. Lion.
Today we saw many animals. They are beautiful. But remember, kids, respect the animals.
Yes, Mom. And look at my drawings. Yeah, I love the zoo.
Wow.
Wow.
They are beautiful.
Wow, great drawing, Maya. I love the zoo.
Did you like the animals? Tall giraffe or funny monkey?
What is your favorite animal? Tell us. If you enjoyed our story, please like and share this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Grace Daily English for more fun stories.
Bye-bye. See you
See
next
you
next
time.
time.